Okay, now let's just check how I look in those photos. So maybe I can send it to him. Or maybe not, I don't know. Oh no, I'm not sending it to him. Seriously, why did I not find a perfect photo sent to Ethan? Actually, like, you guys, I could not find anything. Ugh. I thought you were still in England. How did you get here in Brazil? How? Well, I got my weekly allowance, which means I get to come here every week if I really wanted to. But I'm coming for a few weeks because, you know, I want to see your small yacht party.
Hey, why are you laughing? Seriously, what did I say that was so amusing, so funny? Well, I recorded everything you said to me for like the past 30 minutes. So yeah, how dare you record our private conversation? Well, I just have to tell Ethan then. Ethan?
Trampoline is so much fun and it's on a yacht, so it's even more fun. Come on, let's go down the slide. That will definitely be more fun than jumping. Coming! See? Oh my gosh, why is it so cold? Oh my gosh, seriously, it's so cold. So cold. Is it? I just thought actually quite warm to me. But my skirt is now getting soggy and I don't want to stay here too long. Well, no, huh? I don't want to stay here too long either. Oh, such a surprise. Come on, let's go. I'm right behind you.
Hey, what's going on here? You look a bit shocked and you look a bit angry. Also, who are you two?
Oh yeah, that's just Sid. Actually, I need to show you something very interesting. Really, really interesting.
Oh, okay.
You can show me now? Thank you.
You guys are such weird people. I can't believe that you guys, of all people, would record private conversations. Ugh, I can't believe they like her. She's such a pick-me. I'm definitely not one. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this boring yacht party. That was so funny. Can you hear her scream? Yeah.
Who is this knocking on the door? It's literally night time right now. I guess I have to look because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna stop knocking. I'm coming! Let me just close the fridge. Oh, seriously. Why are you here?
I just came in to give you like this jacket.
Wait, what? This jacket? Oh, okay.